Hey gold friends, Jason here for TheChartGuys, taking a look at our favorite commodity again. We are still bearish on the daily time frame. We're in a daily downtrend, and as we rejected from that zone of resistance yesterday, we talked about a little bit of consolidation and then looking for further downside. We do have daily support from October 11th at 1474. Break that and one of two things will happen. Either we will establish a higher low over top of 1459 or break that support level again and then look to set a new lower low somewhere around our trend line support. So daily supports 1474, 1459. If we manage to break bull, I'm really just concerned about what happens when we get up to this trend line resistance and that zone of resistance. So we'll pay attention to that if and when it comes. 4-hour time frame, very much for the bears, and it looks like, well, let's use the right clicker here. We are heading down in this hourly downtrend, and then bears are going to really want to break that 1474. If we close above it, we're going to set up a potential hourly EQ, maybe even a trend change. We'll have to see how it develops, but that's going to be a key level for us. We can see we bounced off of that pretty significantly when we did. So how we interact with that support level will be pretty key. If we break through again, 1459, continuation of the 4-hour downtrend. Hourly bulls, not really here yet. This is a hourly bear flag. What we'll be looking for would be a break of probably 1479 as your first key, but ultimately we want to see execution between 1477 and below. What I would be concerned about at this point is if we do break bear and we use up all of our resources on that bearish attack, by the time we get to 1474, we're going to be a little bit extended. We're already almost oversold at 34, so that just adds a little bit of a credit to the possibility of a higher low over 1474 in the short term. But look for that execution. This is a nice bear flag setup on the hourly time frame. So should bulls turn things around, what are we going to look for then? Well, we've got a long way to go. We do have a resistance at 1498. Above that, we have resistance on the 4-hour time frame. Where is that? At 1503, that would likely put us into the area of that trend line daily resistance and that zone of resistance as well. So 1500, 1503 coming into play again. That's it for today. A lot of good action, more or less along the lines of what we anticipated. We got a few scenarios set up, and that's what it's all about for technical analysis. And be prepared for all eventualities, and you will find success.